Hey guys, welcome back to our channel where we give you the best product reviews and comparisons. Today, we are comparing two popular air fryers, the Ninja Air Fryer and the Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer. If you're in the market for an air fryer, you don't want to miss this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and comparisons. The Ninja Air Fryer comes in at $89, while the Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer is priced at $139. On this factor, the Ninja Air Fryer is more affordable. The Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer has a 6-in-1 functionality as it air fries, roasts, bakes, broils, reheats, and dehydrates. The Ninja Air Fryer can only air fry and dehydrate. On this factor, the Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer offers more versatility. When it comes to cooking experience, the Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer offers a better one thanks to its even crisp technology that allows airflow for a perfect golden finish and crispy, tender results every time. Both air fryers are easy to use with their one-touch smart programs. However, the Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer edges out with its clear cook window, internal light, and progress bar to easily monitor cooking progress without opening the basket. On this factor, the Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer is easier to use. Both air fryers have non-stick, dishwasher-safe baskets and trays, which makes cleaning a breeze. On this factor, there is a tie. There you have it, guys. A comparison of the Ninja Air Fryer and the Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer. While both air fryers are great, the Instant Vortex Plus Air Fryer has more functionalities and offers a better cooking experience, though it comes at a higher price point. Don't forget to leave a comment about which air fryer you prefer and why. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching.